Hello, this is Itai Levitan at Forex Live doing a quick Nasdaq technical analysis for all you traders waiting for the markets to open on Monday. And as you know me, those that do, I try to simplify things. Those that followed my last video noticed the ascending wedge, which is this. And that is also a trading range in a way because price was trading there, and then it broke down and retested. We even had a bit of a deep retest where price tried to re-enter, and it did temporarily, and also it had to stop the stops above the previous all-time high, which was at 18,121.5. Quickly did that and then dropped. And then the week ended with price action. Again, this retest price was not able to go into the channel, not to mention also testing the upper part, which would be more bullish. So all these are hints. So as long as price is below this blue line, then the bullish case for me has stopped. Obviously, we've been, as long as price went above this trend, this blue trend, we're fine. Doesn't mean that we're gonna reverse right away. We might also be in a range a bit here, or if you can see it also if we do a regression channel, for example, from this low, then you'll see we have a bit of a range here. This is a quick fakie. This is also a bear channel, potentially, but only if it breaks down. So to go back to the simplification, as long as price is below that 18,050 and not entering above the blue line, not crossing over the blue line, then the bears, we might have a shift now to the bearish case. And also we can expect some testing of, for example, if we take the VWAP, let's do that real quickly. Let's take an anchored VWAP from this previous low. This previous low. And we see that price actually, here buyers came a little bit above the VWAP line because they saw this trend line with a few touch points here, here, and this is the fourth. So they bought before the VWAP. Here they bought at the VWAP with the slight piercing. So if price is to drop and not re-enter, not crossing up as mentioned, then we should be testing that 17,450 or so, which is, by the way, also the low, this low over here, which got respected here as well. So it's around this area. Let's put a line there so it'll be more precise. Let's put a horizontal line here. Okay. And you see these lows were respected, this one as well. So we should be testing the 17,460 or 450 if price is to drop. And by the way, this would still be a range because range is not only a channel. A range is an area where price is going through, across. And so this is also a range, okay? The VWAP being the bottom of the range, and this trend line being the top of the range, which we're losing it because price is starting to change its rate of increase, or at least there's more selling pressure there. Okay, so the trading range that we'll be looking at right now to summarize is this VWAP line, and again the 17,450, 460 is where we expect it to be tested, as long as it doesn't go above that 18,050, maybe 18,100. And if in case we see Not that I'm expecting it. I'm actually more biased on the bearish case. But if we get to 18,350, meaning prices clear that trend line, that resistance, then there's more up to the market. Do trade at your own risk. Return to Forex Live for additional perspectives, and have a good trading week. Thank you.